3% seems very low. If 1/3 of them is going to work for Meta and Amazon, we have a huge problem because the price might go do work that doesn't really help humanity. I don't think it's the best use of their talents to work on advertising improvement.
No, it's very expendable oriented. If you think nowadays, people with AI knowledge, scientific AI knowledge, not marketing, because this is the funny part. So we have companies in AI field that they are trying to create a software development with AI agents that they are paying real software developers 1 million a year to create software to replace them in other companies, because this is the reality out there. So are these companies creating expendable? Is this ethical?
It depends on what the direction that we'll take as a human species. If AI is replace a lot of jobs and we create opportunities for the one who have no job or some I don't know the term in English, minimum revenue for everyone, could be yeah. I think that if Europe is the one leading this revolution, we will do the things right, and because we are a bit socialist, we are socialist as European in a whole. But if you leave this in the hands of the Americans, it's going to be this topic. Will AI replace a lot of jobs? I think that yes. This I don't
Some
see
kind, yes.
how it's not going to happen, but what we're going to do about this is the real issue, the real question. Even
Yes.
especially if you have Trump in the US, he won't have any uh, social programs in place, and it's going to be interesting to see. Ethical AI is a tool. A tool, a technology. Is it ethical or not? It depends on what you're doing with it and how you react to it. It's the way you use AI that's going to be ethical or not.
Indeed. So technology is technology per se, is not doing harm to nobody. Even the nuclear power is something that is a technology that you can create a nuclear reactor to create electric power, or you can create an H-bomb to destroy somebody, or you can create a therapy to destroy the cancer. And it depends on how you use it and the experience that you have as a user. And indeed, and this is an intriguing aspect, since I was released, the IT market got a very tough period with a lot of people that they lost their job. The amount of money invested in IT is rising from trillions to almost in the upcoming years, almost the double of the amount, because the forecast is due to the AI revolution that in a digital transformation to embrace AI as companies from 2 trillion and a half, it will move the global spent worldwide around 4 trillions. At 2 trillions and a half is roughly 9-10% of the global GDP. So we will arrive 15% of the global GDP use in digital transformation to embrace AI. This is a disruptive event. A disruptive event that has disruptive consequences on human beings working in companies.